Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about pests of oilseed, that is Achia janata. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So first I will tell about the systemic position of this insect. The kingdom is Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Erebidae, genus Achia and species Janata. And they attack oilseed plants. So it is also known as castor semilooper or croton caterpillar. Let's talk about its life cycle. So it takes 50 days to complete the life cycle. That means it takes 50 days from egg to adult. Eggs are round shaped just like this, and they are bluish green in color. Diameter of each egg is 0.04 inch. And eggs are deposited on tender shoots on the undersurface of the leaves. And eggs hatch into larvae in 3 to 4 days. So it takes 3 to 4 days for larvae to get out from the eggs. Larvae are slender just like this, very narrow, slim, slender. They are yellowish green in color and it is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. The length of larva is 0.125 inches. Each thoracic segment and abdominal segment bears a pair of legs. So 2 legs are there in each segment, in each thoracic segment and each abdominal segment also. They have body hairs in their body and there are total 6 interphases and the whole larval period is 15 to 20 days. So after eggs, then it is 4th, then 2nd, then 3rd, then 4th, then 5th, then 6th instar stages. 6 stages are there. And then it is the pupal stage. So after 6th instar stage, it is the pupal stage. So pupa is reddish brown in color just like this. And its length is 0.25 inches. It is covered by silk cocoon. Pupal period is 10 to 15 days, but it may be prolonged to few months under windier conditions. So when there is the airy environment, windy environment, it takes time to grow. Adults, length of the adult is 5 by 8 inch and it is this, so it is grayish brown in color. Hind wings are black in color and have 1 large median and 3 marginal white spots. So 1 large median and 1, 2, 3 such as marginal white spots. Here you can see these are actually marginal spots. Okay. And females start laying eggs 2 to 5 days after emerging from the pupa. Now damage caused by this insect. So larvae are gregarious, that means they attack in group and they consume whole leaves. Midribs and veins are left intact and rest of the leaves eaten up. So they don't eat midribs and veins. Other than these, they eat everything. And young plants cannot sustain this loss and they die. Adults suck juice from mango and citrus. So they mainly get their juices from mango trees and citrus, lemon trees. Control measures of this insect. Biological control, it is the best control. So parasites are used which feed on larvae and eggs. Egg parasites which are used, Trichogramma evanescens, so they feed on the eggs, and larvae parasites are Appentelis sundanus and Appentelis guidas. So basically they eat larvae. Other than these, you can use chemicals also. So chemical control includes insecticides. Insecticides such as pyrethroids and pyrethroids. These we can use to control them. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.